Want to save money while eating delicious food at home or restaurants? Whether you're cooking on a budget, grocery shopping smartly, or dining out without breaking the bank, this video will reveal 40 amazing money-saving tips that'll keep your wallet happy and your stomach full. Stick around, because these tips will change the way you cook and eat forever. Hey there! If you're tired of spending too much on food, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 40 money-saving tips for cooking, groceries, and dining out that will help you save big while still enjoying great meals. You don't need to sacrifice taste to save money, and I'm here to prove it. So, let's jump right in. Planning your meals ahead of time is the first step to saving money. Create a weekly meal plan and stick to it. You'll only buy what you need and avoid impulse buys. Batch cooking is your best friend. Make big portions of your favorite meals and freeze them in individual servings. This will save you time and money in the long run. Don't throw away leftovers. Use them for a second meal or transform them into something new, like turning roasted vegetables into soup. Cheaper cuts of meat, like chicken thighs or pork shoulder, are often just as tasty as pricier options. Plus, they're usually more flavorful. One-pot meals are not only easy to make, but also save on ingredients and cleanup. Think soups, stews, or pasta dishes. Beans, lentils, rice, and pasta are all inexpensive, versatile, and filling. Stock up on these items to create budget-friendly meals. Store-bought sauces can be expensive. Making your own tomato sauce, pesto, or stir-fry sauces with basic ingredients is a great way to save. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are usually cheaper and fresher. Take advantage of seasonal produce to save on your grocery bill. Sounds simple, but using smaller plates for meals can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more, helping to prevent overeating and food waste. Pre-chopped vegetables or frozen meals might be convenient, but they're often more expensive. Do some prep work yourself and save money. Before you head to the store, write a list based on your meal plan. Stick to it and avoid buying extra items that aren't necessary. Look for coupons, apps, or store loyalty programs to get discounts on the items you regularly buy. Store brand or generic products often cost much less than name brand ones, but they're usually just as good. Buying in bulk can save you a lot of money, especially on pantry staples. Just make sure you can use it before it goes bad. Pre-cut fruits and vegetables are convenient, but they come with a hefty price tag. Do the chopping yourself and save. Check the unit prices on shelves to see which option is actually the best deal. Sometimes buying in larger quantities is cheaper, but not always. Farmers markets often offer fresh produce at lower prices than supermarkets. Plus, it supports local farmers. Frozen fruits and vegetables are just as nutritious as fresh ones and can often be more affordable, especially for out-of-season items. Avoid shopping while hungry. When you're hungry, you're more likely to buy unnecessary items. Eat before you shop, and you'll save more. Stock up during sales. When non-perishable items go on sale, buy extra to last you through the month. This is a great way to keep your pantry stocked without spending more. Look for daily specials. Many restaurants offer daily specials or discounts. Take advantage of these to get a great meal for less. Share plates. Sharing meals is a great way to save. If you're dining with someone, opt for larger portions or appetizers and split them. Skip the drinks. Soft drinks, alcoholic beverages, and even coffee can quickly add up at a restaurant. Stick to water or tea and save. Order takeout. Ordering takeout instead of dining in can sometimes be cheaper, especially if the restaurant charges high markups for in-house dining. Use restaurant deals and apps. Many restaurants have special apps or promotions for regular customers. Download these and get discounts or rewards. Eat out during off-peak hours. Dining out during lunch, early dinner hours can mean cheaper menu items and fewer crowds. Choose simpler dishes. Opt for simpler, less elaborate dishes that are usually cheaper but still delicious. You can always add extra sides if you're hungry. Don't over-tip. While tipping is important, be mindful not to over-tip. A 15% to 20% tip is standard, unless she received extraordinary service. Check for group deals. Some restaurants offer group deals or discounts for parties over a certain number. Invite friends for a discount. Look for coupons or gift cards. Before dining out, search for restaurant coupons or purchase gift cards during promotions to save money. Grow your own herbs. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary are easy to grow at home, and they can be pricey at the store. Use food delivery apps smartly. Use apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash, but always check for discounts or use them during promotions to get a better deal. Avoid prepackaged snacks. Prepackaged snacks might be convenient, but they cost more. Buy ingredients in bulk and make your own snacks. Use leftovers for meal prep. Use your leftovers to create lunch or dinner the next day. It's an easy way to stretch your food and avoid waste. Host potlucks. Instead of going out with friends, invite them over for a potluck. You can all share the cooking, and it's much cheaper. Take advantage of free water. Most restaurants will give you free water if you ask, so skip the bottled drinks. Buy reusable containers. Reusable containers can save you from having to constantly buy plastic ones for leftovers or takeout. Use a slow cooker. Slow cookers let you make flavorful meals with cheaper cuts of meat and minimal effort. Join restaurant loyalty programs.